So we can't able to settle a percentage. It's a more powerful. Yeah, in job we are going to sell.
Hmm.
That's the fact. Now we are closing the deal. If you have
Hmm.
spent 2.5 hours, you can basically build a website in a proper level. We have a motivation. When we get the client, we are getting motivated every
Correct.
time. Okay, we can do it. The things are opening here. That's what. When I saw the webinar, it was totally eye-catching webinar. Seriously, it was really good.
Hi everyone, meet Surendran. He's a digital nomad. He's from Chennai. So he got his first client in just 15 days. And right now, he's in talk with two clients. So is this true, Surendran?
Yes, sir. It's really true. It's absolutely only
Uh,
because of your program and all this.
okay. Can you tell me more about what kind of client, the two clients that you have, what industry are they into?
The first client is was in a photography. So you will do like wedding photographers and all this. So it's basically from Delhi. So he is a startup. So he was exactly the potential clients he was looking into me. And when we are talking through Facebook, so
Hmm.
we got the children. We are to start actually by next week. Fine.
Okay, nice. What is that other client, like the second?
He's into coaching institute. Like he will be coaching for IIT institutes like 9 and 10 level students. So when we are meeting directly, I used to go to directly to direct hunting with the institute when we are talking. He was like he gets some students, but he's not getting that much of potential students that move forward. So he was like I just start directly to for digital marketing to Facebook as I was sharing all those things what we have learned. So he said, "Oh, okay, we'll be doing in this stuff. Like by within 2 days, we'll be starting."
Okay, nice. So, one client is from photography, another client from education. Okay. So, tell me, are you from digital marketing background?
No,
So,
no, I'm totally new to this, especially from digital marketing. I'm totally new.
so what was your background? From which industry are you
I'm
from?
directly from sales. I'm from sales, but digital marketing is totally new to me. We used to go to sell our product. It's a different scenario for direct sales to digital marketing. Now the total global environment is changed to digital marketing, right? So we used to
So, are you from the digital marketing background?
no, I'm not from digital
No.
marketing.
So, what is your background? What background are you from?
I'm basically from sales, so marketing, but not digitally. We used to get directly to meet the prospect and we need to close up the clients from
Okay.
company side, not from business.
Okay. Okay. So, you're from sales background. So, from how long you're into sales?
Almost 9 years.
9 years. So, 9 years you're into sales job, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So now from sales job to starting and learning all of this new skills and becoming a digital nomad. So did you feel difficulty? Like, was that difficult to learn?
No, actually, there is no difficulty in terms of learning because if in sales every day is a new learning actually. So it's
Mm.
totally different. What we are doing, the what we have learned in model, it's totally different. It's little bit upgrading for the current stuff. So
Mm.
really good. It's not about selling. It's
Mm.
about closing. So it's totally different about selling and closing the clients. So it was really perfect.
So you are, yeah, whatever you have learned in the program is not selling, it is closing.
Yes, yes.
So till from last 9 years, you were into selling.
Yes, I'm basically from selling because we used to get the
So
targets
how
done and stuff.
powerful from a sales background, having 9+ years of experience, and now you learned something very different. Which is more powerful? Honestly, I'm
But
asking.
no, honestly, the closing is the main powerful because with selling we are doing our job, right?
Mm.
But closing is totally about the human perspective. Like we used to analyzing about the client, what they are facing. So we are giving the good feedback so that they can, oh, okay, this guy is totally different from the others. Like that, you can see that's the main scenario that we have done. Closing is totally, it was
So
really
how?
wow.
Okay, you have also got many trainings and trainings in your companies.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, honestly, will say like when we are going to training to lots of stuff come in my job, they will be like telling to sell like this stuff, will give this, that, like the blah blah blah. It's totally different. It will be, it's a boring fact. But what we are learning here, it's totally different. So
Mm.
for not only for sales, not only for our business, it's for everywhere. Like we used to, if you have any problem with like relationship or like friends, we
Yeah.
can solve this. Yeah, it will be easy.
So this is one skill we are talking about. We have multiple skills in the program. We're just talking about this one skill. So having from sales background, how powerful, how many times what you learned in week 3 is powerful? Like how powerful is this closing, which you have learned from me?
So we can't able to settle a percentage. It's a more powerful. Seriously,
At
it
least
was
10 times more powerful?
like more than 20 to
Oh,
25 times.
wow.
I'll tell 100%, but it's a more than 25%.
You can also tell it is 100 times powerful.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Because it's totally different. What we are learning is totally different.
Hmm.
From if you ask the same question before, like to the almost 1, 2, 3 months back, I doesn't know anything. It's totally
Hmm.
different.
Hmm.
It was really good.
So now your current sales, the
Yes,
type of closing that you're doing is different.
it's a totally different. Totally
Yeah.
different. The
Hmm.
thing about what we are going to, yeah, in job we are going to sell.
Hmm.
That's the fact. Now we are closing the thing.
Hmm.
Totally different. About selling and closing is lots of difference in that.
So if now if you use the closing technique that I've given you, if you talk to 10 prospects, potential clients,
Yes.
uh, how many can you close?
I easily eight, sir. Eight.
Eight.
100%. Eight.
Wow, that's
Because I have
powerful.
that much of confidence in your model. The first thing is mindset. We need to fix the mindset when we are talking. So
Hmm.
that's the main thing. When we
Okay.
are mindset is fine, it will be useful
Correct.
for us.
So in the selling model, you become a salesperson. In
Yes.
the sales, when you become a salesperson, out of 10, how many you will be closing? In your experience, how many you have
So
closed?
in your experience, it's very tough actually.
Being a salesman,
Okay.
out of 10, now you're a closer. Okay. You have
Okay.
learned something new. You're becoming a closer.
Yes.
Or now you said if you're a closer, out of 10, you'll be able to close 8.
Okay.
But when you were a salesman, when you do your job like a salesman, out of 10, how much conversion did you have in the last 9 years?
Honestly say we have lots of conversion, but sorry, we have lots of closed, but they haven't not able to convert.
Hmm, hmm.
They will tell okay, we'll do that, blah blah blah. But after that, they will be like,
They will not
no,
come back.
we are not going to happen this year. We'll see next year, like that. That's
Huh.
the main scenario of a selling and the closing.
Hmm. So out of 10, how many can you close? Like, were you closing before sales time?
3 to 4
Three to
maximum.
Yeah.
The
Now,
same.
you're when becoming a closer, you can close 8.
Yeah, almost surely, sure.
Nice. So have you used this technique in your current job, and have you seen some difference in
Yeah,
your?
yeah, not that much, but I use in some personal in my job also. Like some, I have so lots of personal clients.
Hmm,
So I just they are telling that, oh, it's totally different than what you're talking now. Usually, you will talk about the product, all this stuff.
hmm,
Right now, you're asking about me as a question, what you need, what your stuff, like that.
hmm.
The more we have asked questions, we'll get more clarity. That's
Correct.
the main thing in closing.
Correct. Great. Amazing. So we'll move to the next skill. What is the other skills you have learned?
Building a website, it's totally different. I didn't have any website. I didn't have any experience in building. It's totally because honestly, we'll say when we are going to when we find some client to build a website, you will tell like that we have to pay this much, blah blah, like you need to pay like this and stuff. But it's totally easy while we are studying in your model. It's totally easy. It's just almost 2.5 hours. If you have
Hmm.
spent 2.5 hours, you can basically build a website in a proper level
In two and a
from
half
your model.
hours.
Yes, maximum 2.5 hours.
Who would
Fine.
believe this? True.
Yeah, seriously, it's really good because I doesn't have any experience in to build a website.
Uh, but you built it.
Yeah, I built it.
How
I built it.
many days or hours did you take to initially?
Uh, honestly, will say honestly, like I didn't start the model first time, like first time. I just when we are together in when we are talked together in some time. Okay, I just started Saturday. I completed almost Monday.
3 days.
3 days. I
Wow.
was like learning. Okay. But it's a basic. basic website, but
At least,
we can we
at
can
least
practically.
you installed what, like website, WordPress, you did in 3 days.
Yes, 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 almost, yes,
Wow. Um, yeah, it's the power.
yes.
What?
That's
Okay.
the power of mobile.
Okay. And the next skill is like what the other skills you learned?
Basically, lots of like how to Facebook ad mastery and like mindset. Main thing is mindset, sir. Everywhere the mindset. If your
Correct.
mindset is fine, you can do wonders. If
Mm.
your mindset is not negatively, if you won't do anything. Like you will be see everything as a negatively, because while I enrolled in your program, I was like I have lots of questions like what I'm going to do, like like Sapna ma'am, she was the one like she
To
converted,
help
like
you.
she said the clear thing. She closed me actually. She's not selling anything. She closed me. That's the time that I enrolled in the program. So the same thing that we are doing to our clients, they will close. We can close the client.
Perfect. So, really good to see. And all this happened very quickly, right? All the skills and getting the client
Yeah, very
in
quickly actually.
just 30
Now
days.
we have a motivation. When we get the client, we are getting motivated every
Correct.
time. Okay, we can do it. That the things are opening here like that. So we used to try that. The only thing is we need to try. We need to
Correct.
try.
Yeah. So if you implement, so if someone wants to join the digital nomad movement and become a freelancepreneur, uh, if they join this community, will it help them?
Really, it will help them because everybody have different problems in life. Like the end of the problem is like they need to build a free life. They used to travel. They can seriously because at that time my
Only,
mind
yeah,
is
yeah, go ahead at the time, sorry.
at the time my mindset also the same thing. When I joined in February, I was like, oh, I need to be free. Like not, I'm really bored about selling because
Hmm.
after that I came to a program, it's fine, really good.
So your mindset also changed. Did you get the confidence? Like personally, what changes did you feel? Like let's say you are low in life and you get some motivate. Like what happened? Is that personally did anything change?
Yeah, yeah.
Forget the
Main thing was
client and the
I
yeah.
stopped talking a lot. Main thing, like
Huh,
because in sales, we used
huh,
to talk, blah, blah, lots of stuff. Right now, I'm just listening the stuff. Okay,
huh.
what is
Hmm,
the? This is the first I change in my mind. And second thing, I'm just looking in a positive way. Whatever happens, okay, just go in a positive way
hmm.
because time heals. But we'll try now. Some things will come on time. It
Correct.
may get late, but the same as the program because for last 9 years I didn't see anything digital. I know about digital marketing, but I doesn't know anything. But in this program, I didn't believe that I learned this much of stuff.
Okay.
But
Nice.
because I've seen lots of programs in outside also, like digital scholars, they will be teaching like theoretically totally.
Hmm.
It's totally different. It's
So
just the
have you
target.
taken the any other digital marketing
No,
programs?
no, I just saw. I just saw. That's all.
So okay, got it. So, yeah, uh, one thing is like congratulations, you have done
Thank you
a
so
great
much.
job. It's not easy to launch a new business which you have no experience, and to get a client, it is not easy.
Yes,
It's very difficult, but still you've got, if you have done it, that means you have taken the action.
yes, yes.
So congratulations on that.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
now it's just the beginning. It is just the getting started. But then now, because you're into sales, you have company, in your company you'll have targets.
Yes, yes.
This is the target you want to achieve.
I
Now
have.
you set your target for your own business.
Yes.
You set the target. How many clients I want to work? And you can, if you want to, if you're charging 25,000 rupees for one client, if your fees is 25,000, to hit 1 lakh, you just need 4 clients.
Okay.
Now, honestly tell me, do you have the confidence to close 4 clients?
Yeah, sure. Honestly, I can convert totally 10 clients also because in that I have that much of mindset.
Correct,
Seriously, like
correct.
when
So
we are
you're from
getting
the
the client.
sales background. You're from the sales background. You can convert 4, 10, you can easily
Yeah,
convert. If you convert 4, you're making 1 lakh per month. If you convert 10, you're almost making
2
2,50,000.
lakh.
Yeah, almost that 2 lakhs, 2,50,000 per month. Before, you had no idea how to make 2 lakh or 1 lakh per month.
No.
Now, do you have the plan in front
Yes,
of you?
I have the idea and I have the platform to do.
Hmm. So what more do you need now?
Yes,
This
yes,
is the confidence,
yes, yes,
correct? So in the webinar, first webinar that you
yes,
came
yes.
to, I spoke about you want to have financial confidence.
Financial.
So you need to learn the skills. So now you have experienced all of that. Did I promise everything that I told in the first webinar?
Yeah, it has been delivered actually. What we have promised has been delivered actually. That's what. When I saw the webinar, it was totally eye-catching webinar. Seriously, it was really good because okay, we need to at least we need to try. I need to try. I just tried it, and I have some ups and downs also, but I just tried.
Yeah.
That's the main goal.
Up and down will always be there, but
Yes.
ultimately, did we deliver it? Did we,
No, you
what are the
delivered it.
promise?
You
Okay.
delivered it. You delivered 100%. It has been delivered. So that's
Awesome.
why I'm here to do all this stuff like client, closing the client, we're building a website. My mindset have been changed totally.
Hmm.
So that is the main.
Awesome. More power to you,
Yeah.
Surendran. Really good job on implementing and doing all of this.
Yes.
It was really happy to see your success and to see your journey here as well. So you're successful. It does not mean only if I hit 5 clients, 10 clients, you're successful. No, you're successful now because you know how to do website. You have got one or two clients now that you're talking very, like in the initial days. This is success.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure, sure.
If you continue this, like any company, right? They will have sales target. They will be consistent. And you
Yes.
continue this for 3, 4, 5 months, you will hit your
Mark.
financial goals and you'll hit your everything. So as of now, you are successful.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. It's only because of the program and what we are implementing stuff. Not
Correct.
only learning, we need to implement. That's the main
Correct.
fact.
The most important thing is you have a path. You
Yes,
have
sir.
you have a direction, you have a path, you have the skills, and you have the platform. If you want to make 2 lakh, 3 lakh, you have the path.
Mark.
That is more important.
Yes, yes,
So even today, I'm in business. Even I run an agency. And if I put an annual goal, and if I want to make some money, some emergency comes, I want to make more money, I have the path,
yes.
I have the road. So that is more important because
That is
95% of the population, they don't know how to go, where to go. They don't have the path to make money. So here you have the path. How do you feel right now?
I'm really like really happy. First of all, main
Yeah,
things. I have a path. If I quit my job also, I can deliver in that mode.
correct,
I have a path to work for me, actually,
correct.
especially not to work for the company, work for me.
Awesome. Uh, Really good to see, your completion of 30 days.
Yes,
Uh, yeah, see you in our weekly calls.
yes, sure.
Congratulations on graduation.
Thank you so much.
All right, bye.